Hey guys, thanks for checking out the channel today. On today's video, I am up nice and bright and early because I'm actually not going to be doing an install on my Wrangler. What I'm going to be doing is doing an install on a subscriber's Wrangler. This is his new to him 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, and he's had it for about 3 weeks now, and he's already starting to add new upgrades and do new mods to it. And today I'm going to be helping him with replacing his halogen front turn signals and DLRs with a set of Amazon brand LED sequential front turn signals. This is a fairly easy install. It's not going to take long, but I'm going to show him how to do it and get him through the process so that he becomes more comfortable with doing the installs himself. I also think this is a great opportunity for us to do a little comparison of these $165 Amazon sequential front turn lights with the Morimoto turn signals or sequential turn signals that I have on my Wrangler. So it's going to be a good opportunity for us to see the difference, to see if it's really worth buying the $400 to $500 Morimotos versus these Amazon $165 ones. As usual, I will place a link below for these as well, and I'll throw the links for the Morimotos as well, so that if any of the people are interested, they can pick up whichever one they want, and we'll go from there. What we're going to do is go ahead and do this install. This has been out there, many install videos, so we're not really going to go into too much detail of doing the steps, but we're going to run through that, get them installed, and then we'll compare the two turn signals to each other to see what the difference is between an expensive brand name one and an Amazon one. So guys, we've got them installed. Overall, these are almost an exact replica of the Morimotos, so I'm pretty impressed with that. The install was very easy to do, similar process, nothing really difficult that I ran into. From a quality point, I want to say these are probably just as equal, and for $165, these are definitely worth it. I would say there is a little bit of fitment issues with this reflector for the side marker. You can see it kind of just doesn't necessarily go in as tight as it does on the Morimotos, but overall I'm pretty impressed with this, and I have to say, for the savings that this would offer versus buying the Morimotos, these are definitely worth the try. As mentioned, I'll put a link below that you can check them out, as well as the Morimotos if you're looking for those. Light quality, these look like just as equal as what the Morimotos offer. So overall, pretty happy with them. I'm sure that this subscriber is going to be very happy with these. He already was, the smile on his face was amazing when we had these put in. At this point, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this or the install, feel free to put them below and I'll do my best to answer them. At this point, guys, we will see you guys on the next video.